A perceptron is a fundamental building block of artificial neural networks and is one of the simplest types of artificial neurons. Perceptrons are widely used in binary classification tasks and serve as the basis for more complex neural network configuration. It is a model of a single neuron that can be used for binary classification problems. It can decide whether an input of numbers belongs to one class or another. The perceptron algorithm consists of a single layer of neurons that process inputs, calculate a weighted total, and then apply an activation function to get an output. Based on a set of input variables, the algorithm learns to classify input data into one of two potential classes. The diagram shows two inputs x1 and x2 each multiplied by their respective weights w1 and w2 and then summed together to produce an intermediate value z. The output y is determined by comparing z to a threshold t. If z exceeds t, the perceptron outputs 1, otherwise, it outputs 0. Essentially, it illustrates how a basic perceptron combines weighted inputs and applies a threshold-based activation to produce a binary output. Example values. Input 1 equals 1. Input 2 equals 1. Weight 1 equals 2. Weight 2 equals 1. Calculation. 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1 equals 3. Since 3 greater than 0. The perceptron outputs 1. Example values. Input 1 equals 1. Input 2 equals -2. Weight 1 equals 2. Weight 2 equals -1. Calculation. 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1 equals 4. Since -4 less than 0. The perceptron outputs 0. To conclude this video, here are the summaries of what we have learned today about perceptron. The perceptron consists of 5 parts. 1. Input layer. 2. Weights. 3. Summation and bias. Bias is not discussed in this video. 4. Activation function. 5. Output layer.